ॐ तदंश्वंशौ वरणियो ज्योतिष्कुम्भस्य धीमहि कृतं भव्यं हि भावय।
सुमित्राणः औषधया सन्तु।
Life is beautiful, but when it loses its rhythm, the pharmaceutical science fraternity puts it back on track. Makes it tolerable, robust and meaningful. When mankind realized health and cheerfulness beget each other, pharmaceutical science had its beginning. India, the cradle of a great civilization, the land of reasoning, the bedrock of science, philosophy, and arts. Has been at the forefront of pursuing this life science. Ancient wisdom in harmony with the immense possibilities of modern science has been the face of modern Indian pharmaceutical evolution. As the Indian excellence in modern science gains more strength, the shining star of this noble fraternity, the Government College of Pharmacy, Bangalore, is celebrating its Golden Jubilee. Pharmaceutical Society, Alumni Association and American Association of Alumni of Government College of Pharmacy come together on this momentous occasion, glorious 50 years in shaping talented pharmacy professionals. In this long history of 50 years, GCP has emerged as one of the pioneer institutions not only in the state of Karnataka but also in the nation. As we go back in time, right from the beginning of the 20th century, the former princely state of Mysore was laying the strong foundation for a modern India. The visionary statesmen and rulers of Mysore marched ahead on the path of all-inclusive progressiveness. World-class institutions and knowledge centers were established. An India with a robust scientific temperament. Bangalore was the chosen center for excellence and the real happening place. The seeds for its present global reputation were sown long back. Independent sovereign India understood that its real strength lies in sound health of its citizens, and obviously, the thrust was towards establishing premier life science institutions. The year 1963. Our society was just beginning to understand the importance of modern pharmaceutical science. Then, the Mysore government started a B.Pharma course in Mysore and at the Bangalore medical colleges. But the lack of qualified teachers and adequate infrastructure forced the students to approach the Honorable High Court, pleading for better facilities. As per the court orders, the government had 3 months' time to provide an independent seat of learning. Thus began the journey of this illustrious institution without any infrastructure and against all odds.
ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಔಷಧ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಕರು ಶಾನ್ಭೋಗ್ ಅಂತಿದ್ದರು. ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಮುಂದಾಲೋಚನೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಯಿತು. ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾದಾಗೆ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ಒಬ್ಬ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ, ಹಿರಿಯ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಯಾದಂಥ ಉಪ ಔಷಧ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಕರಾದಂಥ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟರ್ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾಗಿ ನೇಮಕ ಆಯಿತು. ತದನಂತರ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ R.G. ಭಟ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋರ ನೇಮಕ ಆಯಿತು. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಆ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಂಥ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕುಳಿತಿರುವಂಥ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನೀಗ ಕುಳಿತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮತ್ತು ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಸಹಾಯ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ವರ್ಗದವರ ಸಹಾಯದಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಔಷಧ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಇಡೀ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯುನ್ನತ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಗಳಿಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
On the occasion of the Golden Jubilee celebrations of the Government College of Pharmacy, I am proud to say that GCP is on the right path of achieving the center of excellence.
Hearty wishes to all, especially to our students, staff and alumni of our college. We at GCP happy to communicate that our students have done very well in PGT exam and also in diploma examinations, far ahead of all other colleges in Karnataka. Our staff strength have almost doubled. Almost all of them have done a sincere work, not only in examinations but also in the conduct of examinations.
Under the visionary stewardship of the late Shri K.N. Shanbhog, the then drugs controller of Karnataka, a dream was being realized. He laid a brilliant roadmap for this institution. His immediate deputy, Shri S.S. Katti Shettar, took over as the first principal.
First time I met K.N. Shanbhog. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಅಂತೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಒಂದೆರಡು ತಿಂಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಯು ದ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎನ್ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಲೆಕ್ಚರರಾಗಿ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಯಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಆಯಿತು. ಆಗ ಜಾಗ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದವ ನಾವೇ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಈಗಿನ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪಾಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಆದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿಫಂಕ್ಟ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಅದು ಪೂನಾಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಬಟ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಒಂದು ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ವಾಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಶೆಡ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಇದ್ವು.
6 acres in the heart of the city, which had a defunct vaccine institute, was handed over to start the JCP.
In this golden occasion of Golden Jubilee celebrations, I am reminded of a great saying by Ford. He said, "Take away my money, take away my factory, but give me back my people, I will build Ford again." GCP has actually built people in spite of its own problems of infrastructure. During my own studies between 1967 to 71, it was not all that hunky-dory high infrastructure that today's institutions have. But whatever was there, our teachers used it to the best extent, and they taught us the skill of identifying a problem and trying to solve the problem.
The untiring efforts of successive principals, Dr. R.G. Bhattu, Professor V.B. Desai, Dr. P.P. Thampi, Professor S.S. Dheer, Professor T.S. Dharmarajan, Professor Lakshman, has transformed GCP into an unique knowledge center. Bharat Ratna Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's vision 2020 is our guiding spirit.
At the outset, I would like to convey greetings on behalf of the Pharmacy Council of India and the JSS University. I am a proud alumni of Government College of Pharmacy. I am very glad that Government College of Pharmacy has completed its 50 years of its presence and produced several alumni who have made national and international mark. The Government College of Pharmacy has known for producing leaders in the field of pharmacy, pharmaceutical sciences and related areas.
Dedicated and well-qualified teaching staff has been producing top-class pharmacy professionals. The legacy of excellent teaching continues.
So here the effective surface area. Effective surface area is an area that is being exposed onto the soil.
Systems which obey Newton's equation for flow, they are called Newtonian systems, and systems which do not obey the Newton's equation for flow, they are called non-Newtonian systems.
ಈ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾತ್ಮಕ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಔಷಧ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಗಳ ಅಧ್ಯಯನದ ಮೂಲಕ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವ GCPಯ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಅಪ್ರತಿಮ ಹಾಗೂ ಅವಿಸ್ಮರಣೀಯ.
GCP is the center of excellence. The environment is so positive. All my seniors are so helpful. I just love GCP.
Dedicated and well-qualified teaching staff has been producing top-class pharmacy professionals. The legacy of excellent teaching continues.
I'm very proud to be in such a great institution because it's the only government college in whole state of Karnataka. We are proud, we are blessed to have such a good faculty members. They provide us such a good quality education. That is that we learn to be independent.
Glorious 50 years in shaping talented pharmacy professionals. The focused and disciplined service of our non-teaching staff has contributed to meaningful growth. In their chosen stream of profession, they are the first choice in the industry. Now, GCP is known for producing top-class diploma, graduate and postgraduate professionals.
A government college of pharmacy, when we studied, had a little infrastructure, but very good, coverage of things at that time. That will remember us throughout life.
ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಔಷಧ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮೈ ರೋಮಾಂಚನ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನನ್ನಂತಹ ಒಬ್ಬರಲ್ಲ, ನೂರಾರು ಜನ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಜನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ತುಂಬಿ ಅವರ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ಬೆಳಕು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ಸಾಹನ ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ.
Main thing is the research in the field of pharmacy, which it has to be taken to the top level. Because of the research, I think we will be coming closer to the world, and our college will be taking to the top level.
I am proud to be a pharmacist. ನಾನು ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ಬಡ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಓದಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಅತಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದ ಫೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಹಾವಳಿ ಇಲ್ದಿರ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಓದಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇರೋ ಒಂದೇ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜ್.
Slowly over the years, infrastructure was continuously upgraded.
Dedicated lecturers, world-class education and all-round development, that is GCP.